Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting your library under control. Connect your drive, then import folders so Serato reads metadata and waveform analysis. This speeds queuing. Make sure formats are compatible. Convert any odd files to WAV or MP3. Once done, set your BPM and key display preferences so you can sort quickly. Import playlists or crates from iTunes if you use them, because consistent organization saves you time while mixing and reduces surprises during performance. Now connect your controller or audio interface and install any required drivers. Serato must detect the device. You should map playback buttons and tempo faders, then test headphone queuing and main outputs. Calibrate beat grids on a couple of tracks so Serato aligns beats correctly. This makes syncing reliable. Once mappings are correct, choose default quantize and sync rules so you control whether Serato nudges beats or leaves manual beat matching to you. During your set, trigger hot cues and loops to sculpt transitions. Phrase-based changes keep mixes musical. Use effects sparingly to enhance builds, and record your set while watching input meters so you don't clip lower gain if meters hit red. If performance issues happen, increase audio buffer size first. Then try a different USB port or a powered hub, because bus power and CPU load often cause dropouts. If a deck disconnects, reconnect and reload the track to preserve your flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.